Hello and welcome. My name is Ali Goff. I'm the owner and founder of Goff Legal. We do estate planning, trust administration, and probate here in California. One of the questions I get a lot is, what happens when I die? I'm like, well, since I can't explain what happens in the great beyond, I can explain what happens here and what your family should expect. Now, this video is not designed to go through everything because I want to have an hour-long webinar on that. I also have a trustee manual that walks people through that. But I wanted to give you a really good idea of what they should expect sort of in the immediate time period. So you pass away. If you've worked with our office, there will be a binder that has all of your estate planning documents indexed and organized, oftentimes with notes from you, information, passwords might be in there, healthcare directives, deeds from real estate, all of that's going to be in a really nice organized binder. Your family member should grab that binder and schedule a consult with an attorney who knows trust administrations and probates. That's really important. If you have an estate planning attorney who's never done an administration, that might not be a great fit for the first case. And some just do administrations and don't do planning. So make sure you find the one that does administrations. Then, and it doesn't need to be an emergency. This doesn't need to happen right away. Our normal suggestion is grieve a little bit, be with the family, go ahead and take care of the funeral, the last arrangements, burial, all that sort of thing. And get on the calendar, I would say, a couple weeks after your loved one has passed. In this case, you are the loved one. Your family member, get on there and we'll have a consult and talk about your estate plan. We'll look at the binder and we'll go, great, they did all the things they were supposed to do. Or, oops, they forgot some of those instructions we gave them. It doesn't look like they finished that up. Here's how that impacts the administration. And from then on, they can decide, I want to do it on my own, or I'd like some assistance, or, oh crap, we're in court and now I need a lawyer to make sure that I'm not screwing that thing up. Fine, we can help them on those puzzles, but really, again, it is your trustee's job to decide what they need, what support they need, and how they move through the process. In our experience, clients who usually work with an attorney tend to spend less time and pain and suffering administering a trust than they would if they did it on their own. Absolutely, there is a cost to hire our office or any firm to do an administration to help with that. But that's sort of the trade-off. You can do it by yourself and save the money, or you can hire a firm to help you and save some time. Those are usually sort of the best trade-offs. Now, if your family's fighting, I would say don't do it yourself and please hire an attorney immediately, potentially a litigator. But anyways, that's not your family. That's going to be someone else's family who's not watching this video. Your family's watching this and saying, my mom, my dad, my family member did everything that you told them to. The binder's organized, and this will be a super simple process. So if you want to make sure everything is done well, look at your trust, make sure it's funded, watch my funding video, and also potentially come in for a trust review if it's been a number of years to make sure there isn't anything that you have missed. All right.